Hello crochet enthusiasts! Welcome to this fun tutorial where we'll be crafting a beautiful coaster. This handy little piece is perfect for protecting your surfaces from cups and adding a touch of handmade charm to your space, or even gifting to a friend. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, I'll guide you step by step. You're going to do great. If you love this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more cool crochet adventures. Let's get started. For round 1, we'll begin with a magic ring. Work 8 repeats of a double crochet followed by a chain 1. That's double crochet, chain 1, 8 times. You'll have 8 double crochets and 8 chain spaces. You're off to an amazing start. Well done. Tip: wait to pull the magic ring tight until you've completed all the stitches. Next, for round 2, slip stitch into the first chain space to move forward. Then, in each of the 8 chain spaces, work 3 double crochets, that's 3 double crochets, repeated 8 times. You'll end up with 24 double crochets total. This foundation is looking perfect. You're doing awesome. Tip: keep your stitches even to avoid puckering. For round 3, start with a single crochet in the first stitch. Then, in the next stitch, do a slip stitch, chain 9 and another slip stitch into the same spot. Next, work 2 single crochets, then repeat slip stitch, chain 9, slip stitch, in the next stitch 7 more times. Finish with a single crochet. Those loops are coming together beautifully. You've got this. Tip: use your finger to measure the 9 chains for consistency. Moving to round 4, we're adding increases. Begin with a double crochet increase, that's 2 double crochets in the same stitch, followed by chain 3. Then repeat 2 double crochet increases, chain 3, 7 more times, and end with 1 more double crochet increase. You'll have 8 sets total. You're shaping this so well, keep up the great work. Tip, count your chain spaces to stay on track. For round 5, start with a single crochet, then work a small cluster stitch. We'll call it K1, like a puff or mini bauble. In the first chain space, do double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Then repeat K1 and 2, single crochets K1 and that same double crochet sequence 7 times. End with a K1 and a single crochet. You're a crochet superstar. This is stunning. Tip, keep the cluster loose so it stands out. And there you go. Your gorgeous crochet coaster is complete. Doesn't it look fantastic? I'm so proud of you for making this with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share your coasters with me. I'd love to see your work. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!